There is something that will shock you, and it shocks many JAMB candidates, that JAMB really is not after what you do outside the JAMB hall. JAMB doesn't care what you have been doing 6 months ago, 3 months ago, 1 year ago. No. What JAMB cares and what they use to give you your score is what you are able to deliver, what you are able to do inside the JAMB hall. Your behavior, the things you do or don't do inside the hall is what JAMB takes note of. Okay, these are the things that JAMB takes note of. And in this very short video, let me give you just about 3 things you should not do once you find yourself inside the JAMB hall. Don't forget that in your JAMB exam, there are also CCTV cameras everywhere. Have you not known that when JAMB begin to release results, some results will be released, some results will also be withheld? Why? It's because of neglecting what I'm going to tell you right now. Number one thing you need to know is that, of course, I've always emphasized, you should come early to the exam. You should be in the hall early enough. Be among the first persons to appear. Do you understand me? Be among the very first persons to come. Are you following? Be among the very first persons to come. You may be writing English or mathematics or physics, no matter the 4 subjects you are writing, ensure that you are earlier in the hall. Then they will tell you to present your scripts and all the rest. So do that. So number 1 is don't come late. Don't come late. There is no room for that. Number 2 is don't draw unnecessary attention to yourself. Don't draw by the way you dress, disobeying the instructors in the JAMB hall, the coordinators. Don't draw unnecessary attention to yourself. Do what they say you should do. Remember, your goal is to write, to pass, and to go home. Nothing more, nothing less. You are not there for anything. You are not there to show who you are, how much your father has, or how much you have or don't have. Your goal is, you know what you are targeting, to smash JAMB, make 300 and above, gain admission, and go on with your life. So don't draw unnecessary attention to yourself by the way you dress, by disobeying instructions, just don't let them draw focus much eye on you. Then remember not to waste time. Don't waste time. Some people will try to distract you. Some others will try to ask you questions and all the rest. Don't waste any time. Once you are in the JAMB hall, focus. Write, submit, follow instructions, and go your way. It's a simple thing. Once you find yourself in the exam hall, all your focus, both when you have the difficult questions or the simple questions, both when there's a video I did on how to answer difficult questions, but when the questions are simple or difficult, your eye should be on write your exam, submit your exam, follow the instructions, whether they say present this, remove this, drop your phone, and all the rest. Let nothing draw unnecessary. The emphasis of this video is don't draw unnecessary attention to yourself, because last year thousands of results were withheld. It is not your portion. Your portion is that you will write JAMB this year once. You will gain admission immediately, and nothing will stop you from entering school. I want you to claim it. You will be among those that will score 300 and above. You will be among those that will gain admission this year, and you will be among those that will gain admission based on merit. Your result will not be withheld. I want you to type I claim it, and I also hope you follow the instructions I just laid down in the comment section. Okay, you have any question, let me know. You want me to give you access to all the videos we have done, both on use of English, physics, chemistry, biology, government, literature, and all the rest. Also let me know. If you have not written your exam, tell me the date and the time you will be writing your own exam. Okay, I've done this video. If you want me to give you the link, how to answer difficult questions in your JAMB, exam. If you want me to give you the link, also let me know in the comment section right now.